When the device is powered on, you will first see the software serial number and the production serial number on the screen. Then, the language selection screen automatically appears, and we choose which language we will use for the analyzer. The MP4 series network analyzers support 4 languages: Turkish, German, French, and English. Here we select Turkish by default. After selecting the language, connection type selection appears on the screen. Depending on your network setup, you can choose the connection type as star, triangle, errand, balanced star, or balanced triangle. In balanced connections, the current information for the 3 phases is taken from the current transformer connected to the first phase. We use these connection types in systems where the 3 phases are balanced. Here, we are selecting the factory setting, which is the 3D4, wire, or star connection. After selecting the connection type, the settings screen for the voltage transformer appears in 3 steps. The first one is the screen where we will select the active status of the voltage transformer. If the voltage transformer is not going to be used, we select passive and skip the other 2 steps. If it will be used, we select active and then consecutively choose the secondary value of the voltage transformer and its primary value. After entering these settings, we are presented with 2 steps for the current transformer we are using in the system. On the first screen, we need to select the secondary value of the current transformer as either 1 amp or 5 amps. And on the second screen, we need to choose the primary value of the current transformer in amps. You can change the amp information for each digit. You can use the set button to navigate between digits with the up and down buttons to change the value within the digit. We complete setting with the set button. Once the current transformer settings are completed, the nominal frequency selection screen appears. This value is 50 Hz for Turkey, but it varies from country to country. We select 50 Hz and press the set button. On the nominal voltage screen, you are expected to enter the appropriate voltage value based on your location. For Turkey, this value is 230 volts. It can vary by country. After selecting the nominal voltage, you have completed the technical settings. On the next screen, we will enter the time and date information. You can select the time zone for your region as +3 for Turkey. Different values may need to be selected based on the country. After selecting the time zone, we set the date. Here, we set the day, month, and year in order. On the last screen, we are setting the time. We set the time in hours, minutes, and seconds, and complete the setup with the set button. Once the connections and setup are completed successfully, the device will be ready for use, and the measurement values will be displayed on the screen.